If you're looking for a storage solution for your medicines, your crafting, your stationery, or anything else around the home, this is going to be for you. And a big thank you to the team for very kindly sending it out to us to take a look at. The container itself is made from a hard wearing plastic. It is of an incredibly good handy size as well, in my opinion. It is a 2-layer plus the lid as well. The lid does have a really nice carry handle, so it's going to be really nice and portable around the home. And it also has 2 snap-on clips on the side to keep it all together, to make it have really good access but nice and secure at the same time. The top panel has a nice clear layer so you can see inside quickly what you've got in there. Inside on the top layer is compartmented, so perfect for smaller items, things like pills, plasters, small ointments, little jars. It's going to be absolutely perfect to keep it all separated so you know exactly what you've got and what you need to replace. And the bottom layer is completely clear, perfect for things like bottles and larger items that you need to store. The capacity is really impressive. You get absolutely loads in here. It's a really good way for you to see exactly what you've got. And it isn't just for medication, of course it is for anything at all. Maybe you are crafting, you make things, maybe you're a collector, or maybe your little one's got lots of little toys that you want to keep segregated, like Legos and little miniatures. The uses are endless, so really useful and super versatile storage box. Thank you so much again for the team for very kindly sending it out to us. We really do appreciate it. This is going to be absolutely perfect for all of our medications.